Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine and doing well and studying also well. So today we are going to study in English grammar lesson number 18. Okay. What is the lesson name? Verb. Okay. So what is the definition of verb? Doing words are known as verbs. Like some work we are doing, that is called verb. Okay. That work is okay. They tell us about some action or work being done. Some work is being done, being completed. That verb word is explaining that. So do you know one thing, one most important thing, that you cannot have a sentence. You cannot have a sentence without a verb. You cannot read or you cannot write a sentence without having a verb. Okay, and so the verb is the most important part of a sentence. As you can see an example here, Suhana wrote an interesting story for her friend. So Suhana wrote an interesting story for her friend. So here what is the verb? Wrote. Wrote is the verb here, and here you can see Ramesh is reading a book. So here what is the verb here? Reading. Okay, but is, what is the is word here? Helping verb. So these are the words are known as is, are, am, was, were, has, have. These words are called helping verb. Okay, so and reading is the main verb. Okay, so those two important things are there in this lesson, and also we can learn from this lesson that some words are there, noun, some noun word is there which we can use in, we are using in a verb word. As a verb word we are using, like decision word. What we are using, how you are using that one? Decide. Decision is the noun, and suppose we are writing as a verb for that, that will come decide word. Okay, adjectives. Some adjectives what are there which we can write as a verb. How? For joy word, okay, enjoy, like that words are there. Okay, I will explain to you one or two things more just now. Just you wait. So students, as I explained to you here, so here are the helping verb. Helping verb is written here, page number 63. Page number 63 in grammar book. As you see there top side, some verbs are known as helping verbs. Okay, these are verbs that are usually used with the main verb. Words like is, am, are, do, did, was. These all words are was, were, have, has, had, will, may, must, can, could, and might. These are the helping verbs especially which we are using here. Like I am going to the hospital. So am is the helping verb, going is the main verb. My mother may celebrate my birthday tomorrow. So may is the helping verb, celebrate is the main verb. You can dance very well. So can is the helping verb, dance is the main verb. Ankit has done his homework already. So has is the main verb. No, has is the helping verb, done is the main verb here. Okay, and here, so according to that you can write down all these answers. Like Ketan is writing a letter. So is the helping verb, writing is the main verb. So like that you can write down. These all sentences are very easy to read and write. The next thing I explained to you just before, that verbs can be formed, or verb can be used from noun as a noun also, and some words are there which we can write it as a noun also and verb also. Like arrival word is there, arrival word is noun, and arrive word is the verb for that. Circle is the adjectives, and encircle is the encircle is the verb word. So like that we have to write down here also. This page number 65 you can see top side, noun word is there which we are writing as a verb. Now here are the noun word, okay? Apology, behavior, belief, and everything. So this side apologize, and behave, believing. So these believe, these are the words which we are using as a verb, noun word. So and some adjectives what are there like courage. So if we are writing in verb, what you will write? Encourage. For large, enlarge. For rich, enrich. Like this word we can write down from adjectives to verb. Next type question also it is like this only. Here some adjective word is there which you have to make write into verb. Like for wide, widen. Then some words are there, some verb is there which you can use to name a person. Like a person who is running, a person who runs can be called a runner. A person who teaches is called teacher. A person who bakes is called baker. A person who sells green vegetables, they are called greengrocer. Those who are selling medicine, they are called chemist. Okay, so like this, I hope you will understand this lesson nicely. Read this lesson properly and surely will understand. God bless you. Thank you.